So first I would like to, sir, to summarize the things or briefly discuss or to give the outline of this whole course, sir. So in
Okay.
5 to 10 minutes, we would like to do so, sir. Then after we will take the question answer from our students.
Okay.
So dear students, welcome back after finishing this topic and recording all the videos related to the weekly assignment, everything. Now, this is the online session for this SWAM course on international relations in a changing world. So, friends, in that particular course, as we all know that, and in the portal, things are also mentioned about the course instructions, the course date, and also the last date of the assignment, and also that final examination. So, that things which appear in this particular portal, the SWIME portal, the 25th of October is the date schedule for examination. So, before that, it was instructions from the NPTEL team, that is a SWIME course. For SWIME course, they requested from us that there must be a particular online session so that if any types of doubt or any questions in the mind of the students, so they can ask directly. We can answer that questions from the part of the student. So, friends, as we know that this is the particular topic, particular course rather, international relations in a changing world. So it's a 12-week course, and in every week there's a kind of particular topics which is there. It started with the theoretical explanation about international relations. In the first particular week, things was related to the genesis of the international relations, the development occurred in the discipline of international relations, how that international relations become a independent discipline in political science or in social science. And frankly, we also discuss in these various weeks, more particularly the second, third, or fourth week, about the theoretical explanation of the international relations. The various approaches that is there in the discourse of international relations, for example, the classical conception of theorization, that is the realistic approach, and also the liberal approach, that is that we consider that these are the theoretical explanation, classical theoretical explanation, or the basis of the uh, explanation to understand the dynamics of international relations. So, friends, in that sense, we see a kind of liberal approach that how that conflict, anarchical situations can be can be sorted out with the creation of the international relations or international law. Through that, the corporations and the state can be generated. And unlike that, there's another school of thought that we call it the realistic approach. In that, we discuss about the realistic interpretation of international relations or the behavior of the state in relation to the other state in the nation state system. So we see that the anarchy is a constant phenomena, and that state interact with the other state, and there's a kind of self-help, self-survival kind of things which is there. In addition to that, we also have in this particular course about the Marxist approach, new Marxist approach, critical approach, post-structuralist approach, feminist approach also. And then we also discuss about the various new the issues or the new approaches which develop in the discourse of international relations. For example, society, international society, international political economy, the issue of globalization, and the various issues related to the human rights in the discourse of international relations, or the issue of humanitarian intervention. And finally, we also discuss in this particular course about the conception or the approach that we call as the global south approach to look at the dynamics of international relations. So these are the basic outline of this particular course on international relations in a changing world. So in that discussion also, and in the discussions, that is the video that we have that we have so far as to understand this particular topic, there are many things mentioned related to the course content, and also the various books which are also prescribed to understand more in an elaborate manner to the dynamics of international relations. So in that field, for example, the book of written by John Baylis, Sorensen, Goldstein, there are various other books also there which is mentioned in your portal. So you can understand, you can read that, you can better understand that about the international relations in a more detailed manner. So these are the things we have done in this particular course, that is the course of international relations in a changing world. Now, friends, this is the particular live sessions. So that the session is now open for the question answer. If any questions from in the mind of the students, that they can ask directly the question, and we will try to discuss the thing or sort out that sort of problem. So this is open to all, or anything, sir, if you want to add in that. So
And
okay.
that's fine. You gave a good overview of the course, and these are the main areas which are there. And students who are already enrolled in the course would definitely be looking at those rather contents which we have given, and they might have gone through the material also. And if there are any issues with them, we would be happy to address those issues and concerns of students.
So the question can be asked from the student side. We are here to address that question.
I think Raj Sahab, they might have actually, or the students who are from outside who are enrolled in this course, probably they did not get the information, or they have not joined. उबैद साहब कह रहे हैं कुछ सवाल है, पूछिए उबैद साहब.